Hi, I'm Jenny McGoy. Welcome back to Breathe with Jenny. I'm here today with a knee strengthening exercise. This is part 2 of a 3-part knee strengthening set of exercises. If you are a walker, a runner, a hiker, if you take time sitting in chairs and standing back up, this exercise is for you. You do not have to have a knee injury to benefit from this exercise. It really is an overall knee strengthener, and it looks like this. Lying down on your back, neck and shoulders are relaxed. This is not about the upper body at all. Start with feet bent, or knees bent and feet pressing into the mat. I'm going to start with my right leg long, working on my right knee at first. I'm pressing my left foot into the mat, not really hard, but so that I feel supported and grounded. Then, as I take my next breath in, I'm going to lift my right leg so that my right thigh is at the same height as my left thigh. And you can always take a moment to peek just like I did to see if that's the case. The next step is to turn that right foot out and bring it back in. Maybe you do that one more time. Pausing, breathing, and noticing what sensation you feel. Chances are you're going to feel some sensation right on the inside of the knee and maybe a little bit up into the inside of the thigh. You bring the foot back to center and lower down. And then you move on to side 2. Left leg long, bring it up so that the thighs are the same height, and I turn my left foot out. Bring it back. Maybe turn it out again. Feel the sensation. Chances are it's going to be somewhere right around here. Bring it back and lower down. And you can repeat that any number of times that feels good for you. And over time, I hope that you will begin to feel stronger in your knees, which can make walking, running, even getting up and down from a chair a more pleasurable experience for you. If you'd like to give this a try in class here at the studio, please come on Thursday nights at 7:30 p.m. We meet from 7:30 to 8:45, so it's 75 minutes of working on strength and then stretching after that. So if that sounds good to you, I cordially invite you to come to class sometime soon.